roaches in my ashtray and roaches in my cereal. Air Force knockoffs with the Gucci print material. Way before the iPhones, Twittergram, socials. I'm talking about Nextel, Chirps, Boost, Mobiles. Back when the face that was for OG killers. Now I'm seeing teardrops on you SoundCloud niggas. Remember back when music had content and metaphors. Way before the mumble nonsense and popping handlebars. All these rappers junkies talking like they don't deals.
All right, so I know that I've uploaded like maybe 2-3 videos within like 2 days, but I wanted to go ahead and get them all out. One of them I actually forgot to upload, but long story short, today, well, whatever day it is for you, this video is going to be the one where I finally ended up testing all the lights and stuff like that I put in, just to make sure that they all work, they all function properly, and everything was good to go in order for me to reseal them with this Morimoto, resealer. I actually never opened this. Let's see real quick if I can get it. Hold on. Okay, that's pretty much it right there. It's all spirally and whatnot, just 'cause there we go. This actually was when I originally thought up the idea of doing these headlights the second time around. This is the concept I came up with. As you can see, there is a difference between this and this, which is the LED strips that I didn't run up against that because these LED strips can't bend sideways. So that's pretty much the only thing that I changed about it, with the exception of the pyrite crystal in the in the turn signal lens. That was like a spur of the moment idea. So for those of you that do know about pyrite, it's also considered fool's gold. But at the same time, it's a crystal that represents like wealth or something like that, which is kind of interesting. Like I googled it a while ago. It was like it represents wealth or wellness or something like that, but at the same time it's known as fool's gold, so that's interesting. Didn't think about any of that before I put it in. So that was pretty. This was the design, this is the finished product. Tested all the lights, so I'll roll that clip. I actually just rolled that clip right now, and you guys can see how they turned out and everything like that. Haven't resealed them yet, but I'm probably not gonna really do that on camera. So this will probably be the final time that you see these until I install them on the S15.
Gonna find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and make you want me. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and make you want me. You can't run away from these styles I got, oh baby. Hey baby, 'cause I got a lot, oh yeah. Anyway, my whole crew gonna know, oh baby. Hey baby, you can't hide from Chicago. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and make you want me.
Based off of that video, well, that series, montage, whatever I decided to do when I got back and started editing it, these are, they're pretty, they turned out pretty nice, in my opinion. Especially for my second time ever building headlights, I feel like I did a good job. So yeah, that's that. And just so you know, these are the crystals that I had beforehand. So this is the pyrite that came out of that second cluster, like second, I don't know if you guys seen the video, but the second like geode. This is the rest of the stuff that I crushed up that I didn't put in there. And then this is actually clear crystal quartz, which was the first. You can still see the rock on the outside, but it was the first one that I opened up, and I just couldn't get it right with the clear crystal quartz. But I'm actually happy that I went with the pyrite. The silver to me looks a lot better than this clear in the headlights. So yeah, I'm gonna reseal these up, call it a day, and we'll move on to the next aspect of this front end. Getting my front rims very soon. So next video or so will probably be me repainting these, because I'm gonna be for the S14 I'm gonna paint everything a gloss black first. I'm still gonna keep this orange like highlight thing going on, because I like the way that it looks since I put it on here just to see how it looks. So I'm gonna paint this bumper and the lip gloss black. Same thing with the hood and the side skirts. The front wheels should be coming soon. I got little stickers in there just because. And then yeah, we'll go from there. So just like, comment, and subscribe. Follow the build. I'm gonna keep posting as I get more things in the mail and more stuff to do. So it might not be every day or every week, but once I get something going, I'll be able to make a video about it and